What if time isn't what we think it is? What if instead of flowing like a river, time emerges from the very noise of nothingness itself? This is the vacuum resonance model of temporality, a revolutionary synthesis combining zero-point energy fluctuations with temporal quantum loops. For centuries we've imagined time as a universal backdrop, linear, absolute, unchanging. But what if time isn't fundamental? What if it emerges from deeper quantum principles? Our model rests on two pillars. First, zero-point energy, the irreducible fluctuations that persist even in perfect vacuum. Second, the temporal eigenstate cloud hypothesis. Particles trapped in time loops exist as superpositions of all their temporal states. Zero-point energy isn't just noise, it's the hum of the quantum void. This jitter becomes the universe's internal metronome, creating time through statistical ordering of events. Time isn't a flowing substance, it's the harmonic resonance of a vacuum that cannot hold still. These fluctuations provide the randomness necessary for entropy to emerge and the arrow of time to form. Now enters TEC, the temporal eigenstate cloud hypothesis. A particle trapped in a closed time-like curve develops quantum superpositions. Mathematically, this creates a superposition of all states the particle has occupied within the loop. But ZPE ensures the loop is never truly still. The quantum states evolve within a fluctuating vacuum landscape. Upon observation, decoherence collapses this temporal cloud into a single eigenstate. ZPE-induced jitter creates boundary strain across loop iterations, a phenomenon called chronoshear. If vacuum fluctuation rates shift, the loop may destabilize, collapsing the particle into a temporally shifted state. This theory predicts revolutionary quantum computing possibilities. T-qubits could store superpositions of time-tagged states. Temporal memory would exist as a probabilistic field over spacetime coordinates. In the early universe, ZPE jitter provided the temporal seedbed for entropy, structure, and causality. At heat death, if ZPE dissipates, time itself may vanish, not just slow down. Dark energy may be runaway time generation by vacuum fields. Perhaps the entire cosmos exists as a single temporal eigenstate cloud, awaiting collapse at the final decoherence event. In the vacuum resonance model, time emerges from the noise of nothingness. TEC gives that noise shape. Time isn't a river, it's an echo, a ripple, a hum, and maybe that's all it ever needed to be.